Hi, this is Dr. Ron Schefdore. This is for the dentist and hygienist out there. Maybe I could help solve a problem. My patients, when we went ahead and placed implants and scaling and root planing and a lot of surgery, they just weren't healing up the way I wanted them to. So some years ago, what I did is asked them how their nutrition was. I thought maybe it was an internal problem because no matter what we did, mouthwashes, what we did, nothing was healing as fast as we wanted. And a lot of times I had to rescale people after a few years. So I asked them, were your eating habits poor, average, or really good? And almost always, those patients were telling me that their eating habits were poor or average. So we did a lot of investigating. We found an award-winning supplement called Periotherapy. It has a double-blind study, the only one in dentistry that has a double-blind study showing pocket reduction, 1.37, bleeding reduced, plaque reduced. So it's a great adjunct to treatment. And then the bone formula, the new improved bone formula, works off the new research. They followed like 17,000 women. The ones that had the least amount of bone fractures were taking these type of supplements in this combination. So I started doing that, saw a difference in the x-rays. Healing was much faster. And the hygienist actually could do a lot of this dispensing and explaining for the practice. I found that to be useful. It actually pays my rent, which also was kind of nice. The whole office rent is paid just because of some products. But if you don't want to carry products in your office, totally understand that. The hygienist could just fill out the orders and the patient can have it delivered right to their house. But it solved the problem for me. Healing time was much better. If you have any questions, let us know. When you buy a periodontal pack at pharmaden.net, pharmaden.net, you will get training if you want it from me. We have some scripts so we can introduce that to the patients and don't sound like a little weird because you've never introduced supplements before, and you certainly want to be very professional about it. Since this is the only double-blind studied, award-winning nutraceutical supplement in dentistry, it makes you look very professional. All the science is on the website. So hope to see you soon. If you got questions, if I can help you, let me know. This is truly helping patients get better, not only orally, but improving their overall health. So it's a lot of fun to do. Let me know if I could help. Dr. Ron Schefdore.